The third problem in this exercise, it is last one. Here it is in the form of tan inverse u. If we can differentiating with respect to x means the y is differentiating with respect to x, that is dy by dx equal to d by dx of tan inverse u. Tan inverse u differentiation 1 by 1 plus u square. Again u differentiation is du by dx. Okay. Here u equal to cos x by 1 plus cos x. It is also in the form of a by b. We know that du by dx is nothing but d by dx of a by b, that is equal to b a dash minus a b dash by b square. So here in this a is equal to cos x, b equal to 1 plus cos x. A derivative is a dash equal to cos x derivative minus sin x. B derivative is b dash, 1 derivative is 0, cos x derivative is minus sin x. Here find out the du by dx. Du by dx equal to b is 1 plus cos x, a dash is minus sin x, minus a equal to cos x, b dash is minus sin x, whole by b square, that is 1 plus cos x whole square. In this du by dx equal to, simplify, minus sin x plus into minus minus sin x cos x, minus into minus plus cos x sin x whole by 1 plus cos x whole square. Here plus sin x cos x minus sin x cos x get cancelled. From this du by dx equal to minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. Now we can take the derivative of y, that is dy by dx equal to d by dx of tan inverse of u is cos x by 1 plus cos x equal to 1 by 1 plus u square is, that is cos x by 1 plus cos x whole square, into du by dx means, that is minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. Simplify, dy by dx equal to 1 by, taking the LCM and the denominator is goes to the numerator, that is 1 plus cos x whole square, and it is 1 plus cos x whole square in the denominator plus cos square x into minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. 1 plus cos x whole square, 1 plus cos x whole square get cancelled. It is equal to minus sin x whole by a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 cos x plus cos square x. It is equal to minus sin x by 1 plus 2 sin square x, 1 plus 2 cos square x plus 2 cos x is the dy by dx, that is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus cos x. Exercise 9.3. Find the derivatives of the following functions. First question, sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Second one, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of a minus x by 1 plus ax. Tan inverse, fifth one, tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Sixth one, sine of cos of x square. Seventh one, sec inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Eighth one, sine of tan inverse of e power minus x. In this, just you can observe, do you know sine theta formula, cos theta formula? Sine 3 theta, cos 3 theta. If the sine inverse means sine 2 theta formula, if you know or you recall those formulas, then the sine inverse functions are involved or suitable to those formulas only. Just here I am taking the first problem, first solution. Let y equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. If we recall the sine 3 theta formula, sine 3 theta equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is there. This is the sine sine 3 theta formula. Here 3 in the place of x we are taking, suppose sine theta, put x equal to sine theta, then it is goes to sine 3 theta formula, 3x minus 4x cube. From this, dx by d theta is equal to sine theta differentiation is cos theta. Here x is differentiating with respect to theta. Okay, here y is in function of x, that is function of x. If this is the function of x of theta, in that case how we are differentiating means dy by dx equal to d by dx of f of x of theta, that is equal to f dash of x of theta again dx by d theta. In the same way f of u, suppose y equal to f of u is there, then y dash is equal to f dash of u into u dash, how we defined in the derivative, in the same thing. Here if we take x equal to sine theta, then derivative of x is with respect to theta is cos theta. So here sine inverse of, in the place of 3x minus 4x cube means 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, that is equal to sine inverse of sine 3 theta. It is, suppose let it be y. Sine inverse sine get cancel, it is equal to 3 theta. Then dy by d theta is equal to 3 only. Okay, but here dy by dx can be, write it as dy by dx equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Here by the reciprocal, here d theta by dx equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, here dy by d theta is 3 and d theta by dx equal to 1 by cos theta, but cos theta equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus sine square theta, that is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. So it is equal to 3 into 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, that is equal to 3 by under root of 1 minus x square. So this is equal to, that is nothing but dy by dx equal to 3 by under root of 1 minus x square. It is the solution. Second solution. Second problem is let y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Here also cos 3 theta equal to 3 cos cube x or 3 cos cube theta. If it is in theta, then it is expressing in theta only. 3 cos cube theta minus, sorry, 4 cos cube theta. Cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. It is the cos 3 theta formula. In the expression of above, put x equal to cos theta, then 4x cube minus 3x equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, that is equal to cos 3 theta. Okay, here these values, let it be equation 1, these two are equation 2. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. Then y is equal to cos inverse of cos 3 theta. Cos inverse get cancelled, it is 3 theta. Here x equal to cos theta is there, y equal to 3 theta, but the given function is in y equal to cos f of x differentiation. Okay, here the given function is y equal to f of x, means if we are differentiating y with respect to x, means dy by dx equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Why? Because y is in function of x, but x is in function of theta, that is f of x of theta. In that case, y is differentiating with respect to x, means y is differentiating with respect to theta, again theta is differentiating with respect to x. It is the parts by parts method. Okay, here x is differentiating, now x and y both are differentiating with respect to theta, so dx by d theta equal to minus sin theta, and dy by d theta equal to 3. Here theta is converted into x variable, and we can take the reciprocal, d theta by dx equal to minus 1 by sin theta. Actually 1 by minus sin theta, minus is taking to numerator. Here we know that the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. From this, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, then sin theta equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta. So here it is minus 1 by under root of 1 minus cos square theta. But from 2 we take cos theta equal to x. We took the cos theta equal to x. So d theta by dx equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx, that is equal to dy by d theta is 3 into d theta by dx is minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, that is equal to minus 3 by under root of 1 minus x square. It is a solution. Third problem is sine inverse of, that is let y is equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Here it is suitable to the formula sine 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2x by 1 plus x square, that is in the form of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is nothing but put x equal to tan theta. Then differentiating here x with respect to theta, then dx by d theta equal to tan theta differentiation is secant square theta. Secant square theta is also again convert into tan, then that is 1 plus tan square theta by the identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, or secant square theta equal to tan square theta plus 1. So we know that tan theta equal to x. Here clearly dx by d theta equal to 1 plus x square. From this, d theta by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. And x equal to tan theta substitute, x equal to tan theta substitute in y. So y equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Sine inverse get cancelled. It is equal to 2 theta. What is y equal to 2 theta? Y equal to 2 theta, then y is also differentiating with respect to theta. Then dy by d theta equal to 2 only. Since y is equal to f of x of theta equal to function of x is involved in theta means y is differentiating with respect to x means first of all y is differentiating with respect to theta, again theta is differentiating with respect to x. Okay, that is the, so here dy by d theta equal to 2, d theta by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So here dy by dx equal to dy by d theta is 2, d theta by dx is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then the derivative of the function is with respect to x, that is 2 by 1 plus x square. Is the solution. Next problem, fourth one. Fourth one is let y equal to tan inverse of a minus x by 1 plus ax. By seeing of this, we recall the formula is tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. The tan inverse of the function is involved in this formula. Here suppose let a equal to tan a and b equal to, x equal to suppose tan b. Then a and x values. From this, capital A equal to tan inverse of small a and capital B equal to tan inverse of x. Here a and x value substitute in y function. So y equal to tan inverse of a minus x, a equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Then y equal to tan inverse of, it is reduced to formula tan of a minus b. Tan inverse get cancelled, y equal to a minus b. So y equal to a is tan inverse a minus B is tan inverse x. Okay. Now we are differentiating with respect to x. Here differentiating, y is differentiating with respect to x. Then dy by dx equal to, here tan inverse a means a is a constant, its derivative is 0, minus tan inverse x, x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse x differentiation. So the answer is dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. It is the simpler form. Okay. Next, fifth one. Fifth solution. The given problem is, let it be y equal to tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Here we can first of all simplify the under root term. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x means, here we can write it as cos 2 theta formula or 2x formula. 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this, 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. And one more formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta equal to, this is taking to left side, 1 minus cos 2 theta formula. If here theta is there, cos 2 theta is there, then we can take the half. Here cos x means, here simply we can write it as 2 sin square. 1 minus cos x means 2 sin square half of the x, that is x by 2, by 1 plus cos x means that is 2 cos square half of the x, x by 2. 2 get cancelled. It is equal to tan square of x by 2. So these values substitute or simplify the y equal to tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. It is equal to tan inverse of under root of tan square of x by 2. Square root cancel. It is equal to tan inverse of tan of x by 2. Tan inverse cancel, then y equal to x by 2. Now we can differentiating with respect to x. Y is differentiating with respect to x means dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, x differentiation is 1. So dy by dx value is 1 by 2. Sixth solution. Let y is equal to sin of cos of x square. Now here differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin of cos of x square. Differentiation of sin u is cos u, that is cos of u is cos of x square. Again u derivative, that is d by dx of cos of x square. So it is equal to cos of x square is the sin derivative. Then derivative of cos of x square means derivative of cos u is minus sin u, u is the x square, again derivative of x square. So it is equal to minus sin of x square into cos of x square. Again x square differentiation is 2x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus 2x sine of x square cos of x square. It is the derivative of the given function. Next, seventh one. Let y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1, where 0 is less than x is less than 1 by root 2. Here we know that the cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square. Secant means we know that secant equal to 1 by cos. If any function secant x equal to 1 by cos x. So here 1 by 2 cos square x minus 1, then that can be reduced to cos 2x. Cos means taking to numerator, it becomes secant 2x. Secant inverse get cancelled, that is the 2 theta. If the same thing, here put x equal to cos theta, substitute in 1 by 2x square minus 1. It is equal to 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is 1 by cos 2 theta equal to secant 2 theta. Then y equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 x square minus 1 equal to secant inverse of secant 2 theta. Secant inverse get cancelled. We are getting 2 theta. Here x equal to cos theta, y equal to 2 theta. X is differentiating with respect to theta. Dx by d theta equal to minus sin theta. Y is with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta equal to 2. So here sin theta means minus sin theta, that is minus under root of 1 minus cos square theta. By the identity we know that sin theta equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta from the identity of cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Okay, so here in the place of cos theta we can write x. It is equal to minus under root 1 minus x square, that is dx by d theta. Here dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Here dy by d theta is 2 by dx by d theta is minus 1 minus x square. From this dy by dx equal to minus 2 by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, here 1 minus x square. Here theta equal to cos inverse x. This is the solution. Next, eighth one. Eighth solution. Let y equal to sine of tan inverse of e power minus x. It is similar to the sixth problem. Here differentiating with respect to x. Here just like y equal to sine u, again u equal to something. Just we can do that. Here dy by dx means sine differentiation cos u into u dash. How we are taking the chain rule, the same thing. Here dy by dx equal to, first of all we take the sine. Sine differentiation is cos. The same function we write as usual. Tan inverse of e power minus x. And differentiation with respect to x of sine function, whatever it is there. tan inverse of e power minus x. That is the first step. Again do the derivative part. The first one is same as it is, cos of tan inverse of e power minus x into tan inverse u derivative, that is tan inverse x derivative, 1 by 1 plus x square. In the place of x, what is the function is there, we can write that is. Again, if not x means again derivative of that function d by dx of minus x e power minus x is equal to cos of tan inverse of e power minus x into 1 by 1 plus e power minus 2x e power minus x into e power minus x, then we can add the powers. Minus x plus minus x is minus 2x. Again derivative of e power minus x is e power minus x. Again d by dx of minus x. X e power x means e power x, no worries, but e power minus x means it will come the minus 1 is the coefficient. It is equal to cos of tan inverse of e power minus x into e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x. D by dx of minus x is minus 1. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x into cos of tan inverse of e power minus x. This is the solution.